some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.
You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you would never see me coming. You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you would never see me
My
coming.
energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you would never see me coming.
What's up, guys? We're out here, first ride on the Mantis King GT. It's a beautiful scooter, nice and gold. We test it out. First ride with Ducky. See if Ducky stays on. Let's see how it feels. First impression. It's got plenty. Oh yeah, smooth. 30, 36. Oh yeah, feels nice. You can definitely tell those sine wave controllers, they're nice and quiet and smooth. That is the main advantage of sine wave, is this stealth scooting. 35 up that big hill is no issues. Okay, cruise is nice. Kind of feel like I want to put some wider handlebars on it already, but that's just me. Rode a Mantis about 2 years ago. It was a Mantis Pro SE, also gold. But this one seems a bit more stable, probably because this has the PMT tires on it, but the ride's real nice. Happy with it so far. Into the wind this way. Oh, look at Rubber Ducky go! Oh, yeah, baby. Now that is cool. Looking at Rubber Ducky? It's the little things in life, guys, that make you happy. Like scooters. Woo! 44. About 44.3 downhill. Very cold today, though. This is not a good day to do any sort of tests. About 33 degrees, barely above freezing. See the snow on the ground. Running over some of these bigger bumps like this. Oh yeah, real nice. I tightened both of the shocks, are adjustable. Tighten them up all the way to the slowest rebound. Oh yeah, that feels great. Hydraulics, hydraulic brakes, hydraulic suspension. You gotta love it. This is a feature-packed scooter for sure. It has everything you need. Beautiful freaking screen. It's a pretty quick scooter. I wouldn't call it blazing fast, but it's plenty fast. Ride's really good. When I take the Mukata over this sort of road right here, over this exact road, it has a lot more bounce to it. But on this, it seems to have the hydraulic suspension doing a lot of help with that, slowing down the bounce. It does 46.7. That might be the highest we get this to today. Oh yeah, I love the suspension. It just went over that, barely even got air because it's so smooth. It's perfectly dampened. Wow, super smooth over this. Loving the suspension on the scooter already. Super smooth. Mantis King GT, let's go. That's right, we're in the Kaabo gang.